Hello, my dear students of class 8. I hope you are all well, and I also hope that you have understood the first part of the text, Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. Right? Today, I will discuss the next part of the text. Right? Now, in our last class, I discussed till the man raised his eyebrows, bit his tongue, and said, "Do I know you?" Who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary? He raised his eyebrows, kind of surprised, showing that he was surprised. He was beating his tongue and biting his tongue, and said, "Do I know you?" Who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary? Bipin Babu now turned towards the bookshelves and said, "Still you were making a mistake. Still you were making kind of mistake. One often makes this kind of mistake. I have never been to Ranchi. I have never gone to Ranchi." The man now laughed aloud. Ha ha ha. Aloud. "What are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary? What are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary? You had a fall in Hudro, means you fell down in Hudro and cut your right knee. You cut your right knee. I brought you iodine, kind of medicine, iodine. I have fixed up a car for you to go to Netarhat the next day. I had arranged a car for you to go to Netarhat the next day, Netarhat. But you couldn't because of the pain in the knee. But you couldn't go there because of the pain in the knee. Can't you recall anything? Can't you remember? Recall means remember anything? Someone else you know was also in Ranchi at the time. Someone else was also at the time at Ranchi, Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee. You stayed in a bungalow, and that man was Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee, and you stayed in a bungalow, a very big building. You said you didn't like hotel food. You said you didn't like to have hotel food, and would prefer to have your meals cooked by a bawarchi. And you said you wanted to eat the meals cooked by a chef or cook. That is, bawarchi means chef or cook. Okay, chef means who cooks food, special kind of cook. Mr. Mukherjee stayed with his sister. Okay, you had a big argument about the moon landing. Remember, you had a big argument about the moon landing. Remember, you cannot remember. I will tell you more. You always carried a bag with your books in it on your sightseeing trips. Means you wanted to go, or you went to see the sightseeings, and also you used to carry a bag with books. Am I right or not? Am I correct or not? Bipin Babu spoke quietly. His eyes still on the books. Then also eyes was looking at the books, and he said quietly, "Which month in 1958 are you talking about?" 1958, that year. See, apostrophe 58 means 1958. The man said October, that month. "Which month in 1958 are you talking about?" "October." "No sir," said Bipin Babu. "No sir. I spent puja in 1958 with a friend in Kanpur. I went to Kanpur and spent my puja there." You are making a mistake. You are making a blunder, mistake. "Good day. Have a good day." But the man didn't go, nor did he stop talking. "Very strange. One evening, I had tea with you in a veranda of your bungalow." Very strange thing. I had taken tea with you in a veranda of your bungalow. You spoke about your family. You said you had no children and that you had lost your wife 10 years ago. And you you didn't have any children, and that you had years ago, and your only brother had died insane, in a mad, insane means in a mad, became mad and died, which is why you didn't want to visit the mental hospital in Ranchi. That's why you didn't want to go to mental hospital in Ranchi. When so insane means mad, so that where they used to keep that mad people. Okay. When Bipin Babu had paid for the books, was leaving the shop, the man was still looking at him in the utter disbelief. When the Bipin Babu paid the money for the books and was going to leave or leaving the shop, the man was still looking at him in utter disbelief. Utter disbelief means complete surprise. He couldn't believe that Bipin Babu was not able to recognize that man. That's why. Utter disbelief, complete surprise. He was surprised that he was not able to recognize him. That's all. Thank you.